The surgeon of the future does not have hands. Today, we dissect the Neuralink R1, the robot that weaves designed for ultimate precision. Its carbon fiber exoskeleton houses a world of sub-micron engineering. The business end of R1 is a 5-axis gimbal, capable of inserting electrode threads with the accuracy of a single micrometer. Using optical coherence tomography, the robot sees through tissue, mapping every blood vessel to ensure a needle never strikes one. The needle is as thin as a human hair, picking up and weaving threads into the brain's motor cortex in under 20 minutes.
Every move is calculated by a high-speed AI controller, making thousands of adjustments per second to compensate for the patient's heartbeat.
Automating the complex. R1 is making brain-computer interfaces a safe, standard procedure for the masses. Subscribe to Tech Dissect Official. Join us as we decode the DNA of tomorrow. What should we dissect next?